Now, the main structural change, however, that I want to talk about relates to technology. So here's a picture, or it's actually two pictures together for 2005 or 2013. Now, these pictures were taken exactly at the same spot for exactly the same occasion. The one on the top that you see, taken in 2005, is for the announcement of the Pope at the time, Benedicto. The one in 2013 is also taken at the Vatican, but for the announcement of the new Pope, Franciscus, forget how it's called in English. And you can see the difference, right? In 2005, no cell phone. 2013, everybody has a cell phone and holds it up to take a picture. And so why is this interesting? Well, there's a cute picture here, which shows an iPhone taking off to the moon. Okay, now, why am I putting this picture up? Well, there's a particular reason. If you look at the computing power, here's an example for comparing the fastest supercomputer in 1985 to an Apple iPhone 4, a phone that actually doesn't work anymore. You can see that both of these had the same processing capacity. If you look at the Apollo guidance system, so that was the system that was used in order to send people to the moon, had the same computational power as a Nintendo Entertainment System. And this is crazy, right? So the amount of computational power is crazy. So, another way to put it is that this Apollo guidance system had less processing power than a current iPhone. So now, if you look at so there's a famous argument or famous idea. This is Moore's law, which essentially says that the number of transistors per square inch on integrated circuits had doubled every year since their invention. Basically, the way it's loosely used is that the speed of technology, the capacity of technology, of computing technology, doubles every year, and you can see, various. If you spend the time, you can see various examples of how this computing power has actually increased and what it has done. So this is a little more scary graph if you think, is that in 2015 we have already received the processing power of a mouse. In a few years' time, we're going to have the processing capacity of the human brain, and this is usually when we call the Singularity Event, right? When the computer is able to create a new computer which is better than itself, right? So that you have this accelerating effect in computing power. It's quite scary, but let's forget about that for now. All right.